In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new rating scale on Paperform. We'll walk through how to add this feature to your forms, as well as explore the customization options available to make the rating scale truly fit your needs. To get started with the new rating scale on Paperform, you'll first want to click on a blank line within your form. The quickest way to add a rating scale is to type the command /rating right where you'd like it to appear. Once you do that, a drop-down menu will appear, and you simply select rating from the list of options. Alternatively, if you prefer navigating through menus, you can click on the Add Question button located on the left-hand side of the interface. From the selection of field types that appears, choose Rating. This method gets you to the same destination, a new rating scale ready to be configured in your form. Now that you have your rating scale in place, it's time to customize it. The configuration panel offers various options to tailor the scale to your specific liking. You can modify the maximum rating. For instance, you might want a scale of 1 to 5 for simplicity, or perhaps a more detailed scale, extending up to 10 or beyond. It's entirely up to you, and depends on how granular you want the feedback to be. Additionally, you can choose different icons for the scale. Instead of the traditional stars, maybe you'd like to use hearts, thumbs up symbols, or another icon that better represents your brand or the nature of the feedback you're seeking. Color is another aspect where you can infuse some personality into the rating scale. The configuration panel allows you to adjust the color of the icons, giving you a chance to align them with your overall form design or corporate color scheme. Remember, little touches like this can make the form more engaging and visually cohesive, thus providing respondents with a seamless experience. One powerful feature offered by the rating scale is the ability to add logic based on the ratings provided by respondents. This means you can tailor follow-up questions or actions depending on a user's rating, which can be invaluable for collecting more nuanced data or for triggering specific workflows based on user satisfaction levels. Now you have all the information to effectively implement and customize a rating scale on Paperform, whether you're seeking feedback, conducting surveys, or simply wanting to introduce a more interactive element to your forms. The flexibility and ease of use of the new rating scale make it a fantastic addition. Enjoy experimenting with these features, and as always, you can revisit this guide if you need a refresher. Thanks for tuning in, and happy form building.